since World War II, the federal government has spent a lot of money towards increasing science in the United States. And that has led to the United States leading the charge in science and technology. Many countries think of us as one of the best countries for science. Federal funding has supported me throughout my career. So every single lab I've been in has been funded by the NIH, and I would not have been able to work in those labs if those labs were not funded by the NIH. My name is Alexander Tiriac. I'm a developmental neuroscientist. I am an assistant professor here in the Department of Biological Sciences at Vanderbilt University. My field is the field of developmental neuroscience. That field as a whole is about understanding the fundamental properties via which healthy development occurs. My particular research is about studying a very specific phenomenon. And this phenomenon occurs early in the development of the nervous system. This is when neurons are first forming and they're starting to make connections to one another. And very early in that development, they start to talk to one another. So they trigger their own neural activity. Something that's very interesting about this neural activity is that it is important for the development of various aspects of the nervous system. So you probably know histamine is this molecule that is recruited as part of the inflammation response, but it turns out histamine can also modulate neural activity. Things like sleep deprivation, things like stress can lead to aberrant levels of histamine and can have profound effects on neural activity during development. So we're studying how essentially histamine can affect this activity during development to see if that affects the development of the nervous system. I think it is an important mission to try to understand the basic properties via which healthy development occurs so that we can make a meaningful impact towards curing neurodevelopmental disorders in this career. This is something that I've devoted my life research to, and I would not be able to devote my life research to this mission if it wasn't for federal funding. It is important for the federal government to fund research because I think it's good economically. So from a very basic level, federal money increases jobs in science, so it creates jobs in itself. I think second of all, a lot of the discoveries that we make in basic research lead to better medicine. And better medicines means that there are better health outcomes to diseases. It means that we have longer lifespans, and it leads to a healthier workforce. And I think all these factors together lead to a stronger economy.